Again, second year students. Previous video we discussed some part of services. So technologies we are going to study only HTML, CSS and Java. So we are using that particular technologies to develop the websites. And contact us is only by our address and phone number, landline number and cell numbers. Portfolio, 2 case studies in web development, case studies, another case studies in software testing, web development and software testing. Products it is specifically say about the particular product. Enjoy CSS, enjoy Hint, Hint Pro, and then Kick Play and WebEx, so on, WebEx CRM, etc. About us, so we'll see only by the work process, what product we are dealing, and a testimonial of our product, and then jobs availability of the particular product. So in this homepage will help service, technology, contact us, portfolio and product and about us. So you have to think about our college websites also. So same way, contact us, about us, department and research, so on. So likewise only we are using some technology to develop the websites. So the above site map should describe relationship between the main area of your websites. Such registration could help understand how usable the final product will be. I can show you the relationship between the different pages of the websites, so you can judge how easy it will be for the end user to require informations or service if he starts from the main pages. The main reason behind the sitemap creations is to build user-friendly and easy to navigate websites. The sitemap allow to understand how the inner structure of the websites looks like, but does not describe the user interface. Sometime before you start to code or even work or design, there is a necessary to get approval from customer and as well as project manager, team leader. So but everybody you have to look the coding properly, and then they will suggest some ideas. Here so you can use any markup for this purpose. So we used Mockubs. Here how the wireframe can look like. What is wireframe? Wireframe is an visual representations of the user interface that you are going to create, but does not contain any design elements such as color, logo, etc. So that is wireframe. So the wireframe is left hand side box, red marks, that is markup and as well as wireframe. The custom web applications look like custom web applications, so we need only that one. Here learn IP some color, so it is some informations available in the custom web applications, mobile application development. So here the other important things, select technology stack and programming language, according to your use. Here we are using only CMS web page development. CMS only we are going to use. Here estimated time 2 to 6 week. Design, page layout, review and approval cycle. During this design phases, your web takes save all the visual content. So the image, photo and video created at steps. Once again, all the informations gathered through first phase is crucial. Gathering is it is very difficult, and assembling the information and developing code, so that somewhat easy. So the customer and the target audience is must kept in mind. So the increased customer is more important. So this will work. The customer and target audience must kept in mind and whole you work on design. The website layout is the result to design work. So it can give graphic sketch or actual graphic design and primary functions of the layout to represent the information structure and visual content and demonstrate the basic functionality and layout, colors, logo, image and given general understanding of the further product. So why I am reading now, so that all part it is very important, so that's what I am reading out. So here the customer can review layout and send feedback. So based on the feedback also will correct some content in the websites. The estimated time is 4 to 12 week. The content rating and assembling. So the content rating and assembling, compiling usually overlap with other stage of website creations, and its role cannot be underestimated at the steps. So here put writing a very essential point, essence you did like to communicate to the audience. So then only the feedback, positive feedback will increase. So the website and add case to action. So here convert writing also involved in the creations of catching headlines. Text edit, write a new text and combine the existing text. So takes time and edit. So here it will take 5 to 15 weeks. So for further updations. So at this step, coding. So that is fifth point, coding. So in this coding, the website itself, the graphic element and have seen different design during the previous stages should be used to create an actual website. Usually the home page is created first, and so we discussed also home page, service, technology, contact us. Likewise some pages like product, many products are there, that is all sub pages. Product wise content rating, it is added according to the website hierarchy. So that was previously created in the form of sitemap. So the framework and CMSs should be implemented to make sure that the server can handle the installations and setup smoothly. So here the SEO is very important. The static web page and dynamic web pages, these pages element were designed during the markup. Layout creation should be created and tested. Special feature interactively should be added. And deep understanding of the every web development technologies. It is gathering information is a crucial stage. So when CMS for site creations, you also install CMSS plugin, and step here need other important steps is SEO, search engine optimization. SEO optimizations of website element is title, description, keyword. So that can that can help your site to achieve higher ranking in the screen engine. And once again, valid code pretty important for the SEO. SEO is a major in coding part. It is estimate time is for 6 to 15 weeks. Here testing and review. So here testing is probably black box testing, white box testing. Software engineering you are not studied so far. Next sem or after that you are going to study software engineering. That time you know the software development life cycle. Here whatever life cycle we discussed now, so that part only. So it is quite easy after studying this web development process. The every single link should be tested to make sure that there are no broken among them. So you should check every form, every script and spelling check to find out the possible types. Use code validator to check if the code follows the current web standard. Valid code necessary. For example, cross browser compatibility is crucial for you. So here after you recheck your websites, the time to upload it to serve FTP, file transfer protocol, and software used for the purpose. After you deploy the file, so you should run yet another the test to be sure that all you file have been installed correctly. This will take 2 to 4 weeks. Last web development process life cycle. So here maintenance, obedience monitoring, and as well as regular updating. So what's important to remember is that websites is more of service than a product, not enough to deliver a websites to a user. You should also make sure that the every work fine and everybody is satisfied and always prepared to make change another cases. So majorly here feedback and reports received from the client. Only we are going for further updation, further maintenance, so that it is quite easy. It is based on the feedback from the customer and as well as client. So thank you very much. That's all web development process life cycle. Total 7 life cycle. So finally enhancement. So enhancement means the entire software and as well as also code and test, that all you have to enhance. So why? Because this present era, so we